The latest in the coronavirus crisis. More than 82,000 cases are now confirmed around the world.
60 of those are in the U.S. Now the CDC confirms the first U.S. case of unknown origin. Anxiety about the coronavirus and its effect on the economy, sending stocks lower for the sixth straight day now. The Dow is down 464 points, 546 points. The S&P is 60 points lower. The Nasdaq has lost over 203 right now. CBS News' Jessica Moore is live in the newsroom with the latest. Jess.
Well, Chris and Mary, the California patient marks the first case of what officials are calling community transmission. It's raising a lot of questions about how many people in the general public are infected right now and don't know it.
It's a game changer in the fight to contain the coronavirus, as a patient in California who himself has not been traveling, nor have people close to him, tested positive for the deadly virus on Wednesday.
We don't know where they got it from, so the person who exposed them probably exposed others, so there's probably other cases out there in the community that we don't know about.
As of Thursday morning, more than 2,800 people have died from the virus.
Your gown goes on first.
Hospital workers in New York City suburbs are being trained to protect themselves, as more than 100 people who may have been infected in China are now in isolation inside their homes. 8 are in Westchester, 29 in Suffolk County, and 83 in Nassau County. Only one person there is showing symptoms. Mount Sinai South Hospital in Oceanside on Long Island is trying to get ahead of it all, showing us how it can convert some rooms into isolation quarters with double doors. They've also stockpiled emergency supplies.
We've been preparing for this for decades, so this one is novel this year. We had Ebola a few years ago. We had H1N1.
Countries around the world are now taking drastic measures to contain the virus. Japan is closing all its schools until April. Saudi Arabia will close all major holy sites to foreigners. And study abroad programs are also affected, with schools like Seton Hall, Villanova, and Sacramento State recalling all students studying in affected countries. The Dow has plunged more than 2,300 points in the last 5 trading days. On Wednesday, President Trump tried to calm fears by showing the administration is prepared.
We're very, very ready for this, for anything.
The president announced Vice President Pence will run point on coronavirus, coordinating with local officials. Pence is expected to speak on plans at 2:30 this afternoon.
And also later today, we're expecting to hear more from the doctors in Sacramento about that most recent patient whose connection to the virus remains a mystery. Yesterday, the president said he is open to imposing additional travel restrictions in order to contain the virus, but says we're not there yet. Live in the newsroom, Jessica Moore, CBS 2 News.
Jessica, thank you, and stay with CBS 2 for continuing coverage of the coronavirus outbreak. We have a special section on our website that includes hotline numbers, information from the CDC, and guidance for travelers. It's all on CBSNewYork.com.